You are calm and confident about the birth of your baby. You look forward to meeting your baby. You are filled with love and optimism for the days, weeks, months and years ahead. Days filled with joy and fulfillment. Never-ending love and pride. Proud to become a mother, fulfilled and satisfied. And this belief grows and becomes stronger with each day that passes. A happy calmness that fills your mind and body. All the tensions in your mind will be relieved at night in your dreams, so that you awake each morning bright-eyed and full of energy, looking forward to whatever the new day is going to bring. Finding it easy to only have positive attitudes and thoughts about yourself and your baby.